Hello everyone! In this tutorial video, we will tackle about getting the mean and variance of a discrete random function. First, we need to know what is mean and variance. Mean is the average of a group of numbers, and the variance measures the average degree to which each number is different from the mean. When studying and presenting data or information, it is usually easier to look at the summary instead of each individual observation or response. As what you have learned in junior high school, we can describe or represent data using measures of central tendency, such as the mean, median, and mode, and measures of variability, such as variance and standard deviation. When dealing with probability distributions, we can also calculate these values. In this section, we will focus on the mean and variance of discrete probability distribution. Now next, we will show you how to compute or get the mean, variance, and the standard deviation from a discrete probability distribution.
For us to enable to understand more about the topic, here is an example. To get the mean, let's first get the x multiplied by p of x. Now 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 0.11 is equal to 0.11. 2 multiplied by 0.13 is equal to 0.26. 3 multiplied by 0.14 is equal to 0.42. 4 multiplied by 0.31 is equal to 1.24. Lastly, 5 multiplied by 0.11 is equal to 0.55. And to get the mean, let's add all the results. So 0 plus 0.11 plus 0.26 plus 0.42 plus 1.24 plus 0.55 is equal to 2.58. So our mean is equal to 2.58.
For the step 2, you just only have to subtract the mean from the x. So 0 minus 2.58 is equals to negative 2.58. 1 minus 2.58 is equals to negative 1.58. 2 minus 2.58 is equals to negative 0.58. 3 minus 2.58 is equals to 0.42. 4 minus 2.58 is equals to 1.42. And 5 minus 2.58 is equals to 2.42.
To get this answer, you need to multiply by itself, which is negative 2.58 times negative 2.58 equals 6.6564. Negative 3.58 times negative 3.58 equals 2.4964. Negative 0.58 times negative 0.58 equals 0.3364. 0.42 times 0.42 equals 0.1764. 1.42 times 1.42 equals 2.0164. 2.42 times 2.42 equals 5.8564.
To get the variance and standard deviation, we need to multiply x minus mean squared times p of x. So, 6.6564 times 0 equals 0. 2.4964 times 0.11 equals 0.2746. 0.3364 times 0.13 equals 0.0437. 0.1764 times 0.14 equals 0.0247. 2.0164 times 0.31 equals 0.6251. 5.8564 times 0.11 equals 0.6442. After getting all of the answers, we need to add all of it so that we can get the variance, which is 1.6123, and the square root of it is the standard deviation, which is the total of 1.2698.